Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I said I would show you what I did with the finds that I got at the antique store and thrifting. So we are going to start this video off with another candle. I picked up this little bowl at the thrift store. It's this really good crystal bowl. I got it for $2.99. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and then I thought, let's turn it into a candle. I am on a candle making kick, and I thought that this would be so pretty at night when it is all sparkly. And you guys, I am so obsessed. I first want to say thank you so much for all the love on my last video. I was actually blown away how well that video did. And I also wanted to let you know that I am going to keep that hutch green. I'm so glad so many of you guys thought to keep it green, because I too thought I should keep it green. But then I'm like, am I just insane because this is the way that it was found? Is that my style? We're going to keep it green, and I cannot wait to show you guys it in its forever home in 100 years when we get to the backyard. Okay, I'm just playing around, but picture this outside, not in my garage. Oh my gosh, I think that I should replace the glass. I have to, because one of the window panes right here is broken. Well, it's not there. Do I do no glass, or do I just do glass on the front and then no glass on the side? You guys, I got this piece for $115. I just really want you to see her in all of her glory and not in our messy garage. But can you just picture this outside? And look how cute. I'll just have to find a super cute little latch thing so it doesn't blow away in the wind. While Chris is hanging the Roman shades in the bathroom, I thought this would be a good time to start playing around with all of the new items that we received in the last video. So let's see how we can style them. I just love a good vintage marble tray, and right now I'm just going to be using this as a catch-all right on my nightstand for my jewelry, and it honestly is going to move all over my house, but I love this tray so much. I have wanted a Roman shade in this bathroom for so long, so I'm so excited to finally put one up.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
And this is probably my most favorite and unexpected styling. So one of you guys actually told me to use my little basket I got from the thrift store and put fresh eggs in it, and I did it, you guys, and look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, we love.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go.
And this is exactly what the bathroom needed. I love them so much. I thought I would do an unboxing because I told you guys that I was going to hold off. And one of them is my skincare, which I am so obsessed. Let me find that one right now. And I never ever have acne, except I have a little pimple right here because I am out of my skincare. So we need to unbox these. I ended up buying this on my own, but I do have a discount code for you guys. I'll put it right down here. You can save some money. I've been using this skincare for ever. I'm obsessed with it. It's an all natural skincare. And what I love most about it is that when you use it, you literally feel like you are at the spa. I was out of almost everything, so I bought so much stuff, you guys, so much stuff. And then I don't know if I mentioned it in a couple other videos, but I want to do a bathroom refresh, not a full-on makeover, because that is going to be way far down the line. I just want to spruce it up a little bit and make it feel a little bit more like me. Right now it's just a bunch of random stuff that's been in there since we moved in. I do want to make it feel a little bit cuter. I wanted to show you guys this packaging because this is just so beautiful. Like, look how beautiful that is. So I actually put this underneath my eyes right here. It's called an antioxidant balm. And also what I love about them, I don't know if you guys have heard of tallow, but they use that in a lot of their cream. And they just redid the packaging. Ooh, I wanted to try this. There we go. Little chapstick, but it's tinted. Rose and mint lip balm. That sounds good. Ooh, and this one right here is my favorite. So I use their face serums. What is this? I'm telling you, I got a lot of stuff, you guys. Oh, this is their new one. So look how cute the packaging is. For one, it's the same as the antioxidant balm, but this is the coffee mask. You guys, I have not tried this one yet. Oh, look at that. It smells just like coffee. Okay, I am doing this one tomorrow for sure. A little plumping bar when I don't want to use my oils. Wow, your girl, you're spent. So I normally stock up. Look at all that stuff. I normally stock up just one time a year. And I actually have never used their body wash, but I wanted to get it because one, look how cute this is gonna look in the shower. For one, the packaging is to die for. Like, I gotta show you again. Look at that. That is so cute. Oh, that is good. It is eucalyptus lavender body wash. Okay, this is good. A little bit of small of a bottle. I'm only saying that because I know my husband is going to use it and it's gonna go really fast. I love a good Epsom salt bath. Wanted to give this one a try because look again at the packaging. That's so cute. We love, love. Oh, we got, oh, the clarifying serum. Love that. Oh my gosh, Brittany, you bought so much stuff. Wanted to try dry shampoo. It's for dark hair. It's organic cocoa powder. Oh, organic cocoa powder. I guess I never thought to try that. We'll report back to you guys if I love that. Oh, and then the cleansing oil. So this is actually my favorite product of them all. So you will use like a couple pumps of this when you have like all your makeup on, and then you'll just put it all over your face. Then my favorite part is you take like a hot towel and you just like set it on your face until the towel cools off. And you guys, I am not even kidding when I say it feels like you are at a spa. It's called Everything Spray, and it comes with like a little pumper, and you just spray it all over your face, and then you top it with these oils. You guys, if you have not tried, and this is not sponsored at all, like this is just what I truly love. And then I asked them if I could get a discount code for you guys, but I bought all of this by myself, and I do every single time because it is that good. The next item is an item that was actually gifted to me. Like I said, am wanting to redo, like spruce up my bathroom a little bit. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I've been wanting these like black and white striped towels. Now, I don't know why towels are so expensive, but I also have been so out of the market because all my towels are so old that I just maybe didn't know. And then this company reached out to me and wanted to send me some stuff off of their site, and they had the cutest black and white towels. So I'm like, okay, this is so meant to be. So good. Oh my gosh, they look so good, and they are not even that expensive. So I'll be sure to link them down below in case you guys are in the market as well. Oh, they're so cute and they're so soft. Oh my God. And then it has like a little hook right here for you to be able to hang it. Okay, you guys, come on. Oh, that is good. Okay, so the company is called the Luminia. I'm the worst at pronouncing names, so I am so sorry if I butchered it, but this towel, oh, okay. And then, so this one, I believe, is the regular size towels, and then I believe these ones are called the bath sheets. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is just... Who gets this excited over towels? Okay, this is a good towel, you guys. Like, I picture these even for like pool days, like on the lounger and stuff. Ugh. Okay, I will be sure to link this all down below. She also gave me a discount code. Who knew towels would be this good? Another item that I bought. So I know in the last video you guys saw that I have my black olive tree. I also have like a couple other olive trees around my house. Decided to buy this little grow light for it. So I have one like in my kitchen. I'm not sure if you guys follow me on Instagram where you had saw it. It's like probably one of my favorite trees in my house as well. And so it's just this like little thing right here. And I just got it on Amazon, and it has these little sticky things that I can put to the back. And I thought of like, I don't know, I was gonna try to figure out how to put this on. And then it has like a little timer remote right here, just to be able to give my olive tree a little bit more light, because they do really love to be outside, but I'm so selfish and I love them so much inside as well. But I want them to thrive. I don't want to bring in something that is going to die. Like, that is just not what I do. I want my trees to fully thrive. I'm also one that gets so sad if somebody is cutting down a tree. Like, I think about it the whole day. Like, it just really hurts me. Maybe that's why my daughter's name is Willow. I don't know, but I cannot even cut down a tree. Funny story, when we moved into this house, it was a new build, and we ended up planting a ton of olive trees on our property, but the trees that they had planted weren't bad trees. They just weren't what I wanted to go like in this house. So we actually walked behind the preserve, like way back here, and we planted the trees back there and ran a drip to it, because I told Chris, I'm like, I cannot let those trees die. Like, I just cannot. And then this item right here, I got off of Facebook Marketplace for $40, and it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's cute, guys. Look how cute she is. Can we believe that this was only $40? Like, look at her patina. Look at her, like, you guys. She is good. She is a staple, and she is staying here forever because I love her light color, like her lightness to her. I have so many of these, but they are all so dark. What I love about this is that it's so different than any of the other pots that I have, but still so the same. So they complement each other, if that makes sense. Oh, I do also, so I'm gonna try to go back to the antique store. A lot of you guys said, get the bird print. You only live once, get it and put it somewhere else. And a lot of you guys also said, ask to see if they'll give it to you for a cheaper price, since it's been there for over a year. All right, you guys, so I want to thank you guys so much for watching yet another video. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any recommendations of what you want to see from me, leave them down below. I am so glad that you stuck around for another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.